Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account eligibility and device permissions. Make sure you are 13 or older and complete any identity verification Roblox requests so voice unlocks. Next, install or update the Roblox app and grant microphone access in system settings. Without this, audio won't transmit. Finally, open privacy settings and set voice chat to the intended audience, and enroll in verified voice if prompted. This step ensures safety and unlocks chat features for Egypt-based accounts. Once done, fine-tune audio inside Roblox. Choose the exact microphone and speakers, then set input gain so others hear you clearly without clipping. Join a game that supports Roblox voice chat. The interface shows a microphone icon or voice chat label. Connect by accepting the voice prompt and decide between open voice or push-to-talk. Push-to-talk reduces background noise. Also enable spatial voice if available. This offers positional audio, so you hear players based on distance and direction. Wrap up by testing with a friend to confirm two-way audio and to set comfortable levels. Use mute when needed. Make sure privacy is enforced. Block or mute problematic users and report violations. This preserves safety in Egypt and elsewhere. If voice fails, restart the Roblox app, update audio drivers, and verify phone/email again. Also inspect firewall or headset hardware. If problems persist, toggle microphone permissions in the OS and repeat verification steps to restore voice function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.